Sa video natin ngayon, we're breaking down two features that make fastest VPN stand out, yung double VPN connection niya at yung brand new niyang 10 gigabytes per second servers. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley. At kung bago ka pa lang sa VPN and trying to figure out all these technical words mean, don't worry, ito na ang beginner-friendly guide that explains what they do, bakit sila importante at paano talaga nila naaapektuhan ang online speed and security mo. Kaya sa video natin today, I'll explain what these features actually mean, how they work together to boost both speed and security, at kung worth pa talaga i-turn on yung mga to. Kung bago ka pa lang sa VPN, tara simulan na natin. Okay, so umpisa tayo sa basics. Ano ang fastest VPN? Ang fastest VPN ay isang virtual private network service that helps you browse securely and privately sa pamamagitan ng pag-encrypt ng internet connection mo and hiding your IP address. Pag na-connect mo na, ang traffic mo ang nagra-route sa isang secure na server, kaya mas mahirap para sa hackers, internet providers, or advertisers na i-track yung mga ginagawa mo online. While a lot of VPNs promise privacy, ang fastest VPN ay nakafocus sa medyo ibang bagay: speed and performance para sa everyday users. In-upgrade nila yung network nila gamit ang bagong 10 GB per second servers. And added advanced privacy options like double VPN para manatiling mabilis and protected yung connection mo. Kahit na hindi kasing laki ng NordVPN o Surfshark ang company, matagal na rin tong nandyan. At talagang in-upgrade nila yung tech nila para makipag-compete sa premium VPNs, lalo na sa mas mura na presyo. Now, let's talk about the two main features we're focusing on today, yung double VPN at yung 10 GB per second servers. Tapos may ilang related tools din that make fastest VPN more beginner-friendly. Number 1, explain natin yung double VPN. So, a double VPN connection sounds complicated, pero actually, simple lang yung concept niya. Normally, kapag nagko-connect ka sa isang VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted once at tinadaan sa isang server lang. Pero kapag double VPN, yung connection mo ay dadaan sa dalawang magkaibang VPN servers imbis na sa isa lang. Ganito siya in plain English. Your data first travels from your device to server A, tapos may encrypt ulit siya at ipapadala sa server B. Only after passing through both servers does it reach the website or app na gusto mong i-visit. So basically, double yung encryption and double din yung privacy. Nagdadagdag to ng extra layer ng security kasi walang isang server na nakakaalam ng buong activity mo. Yung first server, alam kung sino ka pero hindi niya alam kung ano yung na-access mo. And the second knows what you're accessing but not know who you are. So halimbawa, kung nagsisend ka ng sensitive files gamit yung public wifi, gusto mo lang ng extra layer ng protection, double VPN ang perfect na option. It's really useful for journalists, remote workers, or anyone who travels frequently and connects to unknown networks. The trade-off though is that your speed can take a small hit because your data has to travel through two servers instead of one. But with fastest VPN's newer, faster network na pag-uusapan natin next, mas maliit na lang yung impact sa speed kesa dati. Kaya punta tayo sa number 2, yung 10 GB per second servers at kung anong ibig sabihin nito. So pag-usapan natin yung malaking speed upgrade. Most VPNs use 1 GB per second or 2 GB per second servers, at kahit sapat na yun para sa normal browsing, it can become a bottleneck when tons of users connect. At the same time, yung 10 GB per second server naman, kaya niyang i-handle yung 10 times capacity. Ibig sabihin, mas maraming users ang pwede mag-connect nang hindi mo mabagal ang speed. Mas smooth din yung bandwidth para sa streaming or gaming. Ibig sabihin din ito, mas mabilis yung data transfers kahit sa kabilang continent pa. Kung mahilig ka manood ng HD or 4K videos, downloads large files, or games online, malaking difference talaga ang 10 GB per second servers. Sa real-world terms, you'll notice faster connection times, mas konting buffering, at mas konting slowdowns tuwing peak hours. Hindi lang to marketing, totoong infrastructure upgrade to na tumutulong mag-reduce ng congestion na isa sa pinakamalaking problema sa maliliit na VPN networks. Number 3 ay Smart Connect. Kasama sa fastest VPN yung Smart Connect feature na automatic na pumipili ng pinakamabilis na available server para sa'yo. Kaya imbis na mano-mano kang magsascroll sa country list or hulaan kung aling mabilis, you can just hit connect and the app does the work. Ang ganda nito lalo na sa kanilang 10 GB per second upgrades kasi yung smart connection kadalasan inuuna ang mga bagong servers na to. Number 4 ay security tools beyond speed. Kasama na sa fastest VPN yung standard privacy tools tulad ng AES-256 encryption, DNS leak protection, and kill switch. AES-256 is the same level of encryption used by banks and government agencies. Kumbaga, practically unbreakable to. The kill switch is also useful if you're using public Wi-Fi. Kung biglang mawawala yung VPN connection mo, automatic na pinuputol ng kill switch yung internet access mo para maiwasan yung mga unprotected data na ma-leak. Number 5 ay apps and usability. So Fastest VPN has apps for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, and browser extensions para sa Chrome and Firefox. Sinusuportahan din ito yung router installation para maprotektahan mo lahat ng devices sa bahay mo sabay-sabay. Ang design ay beginner-friendly, may clean interface, quick connect button, at simple na server sorting. Hindi mo kailangan maging tech-savvy para gamitin to, na malaking plus point talaga. Ngayon, tignan natin yung mga pros and cons para malaman mo kung worth ba talaga yung mga features sa Fastest VPN. Umpisahan natin sa pros. Number 1, mas malakas sa privacy dahil sa double VPN. Yung pag-route ng traffic mo sa dalawang servers imbis na sa isa lang, nagdadagdag ng solid na layer ng protection. Perfect to para sa mga taong nag-handle ng sensitive data or just want extra peace of mind when online. Number 2, syempre yung faster performance at 10 gigabytes per second servers. This upgrade helps eliminate congestion during busy hours. Kaya kahit na nakakonect ka sa malalayong server, surprisingly consistent pa rin yung speed. Number 3 is great for streaming and gaming. So the extra bandwidth allows smoother video playback and few lag spikes when you're gaming. If you've tried older VPNs that slow everything down, this is a noticeable improvement. Number 4 ay it's easy for beginners. Hindi mo na kailangan i-mess yung manual settings o protocols. Ginagawa ng automatic ng Smart Connect ang lahat. Number 5, abot kayang presyo. Yung long-term plans ng Fastest VPN kadalasan mas mura kaysa sa mga major competitors. Kaya mas nakaka-impress yung mga upgrades na ito sa presyo. Pag-usapan natin yung mga prices in just a second. And number 6, gumagana to sa lahat ng devices kaya pwede mo siyang i-install sa maraming devices sabay-sabay, and it supports routers so even your smart TV or game consoles can benefit. At ngayon punta tayo sa cons. Number 1, mas maliit yung server network. Kahit na definitely nag-expand yung Fastest VPN, it still does have a fewer total servers than giants like NordVPN or Surfshark. Pwedeng malimatahan ito yung choice mo ng region sa ilang areas. And number 2, yung speed mo na nakadepende sa location. Kaya kahit napakabilis ng new servers, not every location does have them. Kung nasa region ka na, walang upgraded servers, baka hindi mo ma-experience yung full performance benefit. Number 3, limited yung advanced features. Kaya kung experienced VPN user ka na gusto ng extras tulad ng specialty double hop routing across continents, you might find Fastest VPN simpler than you'd like. Number 4 is basic interface design. Functional naman siya pero hindi flashy. Kung mahalaga sa'yo yung aesthetic, baka ma-feel mo na less polished yung app kumpara sa premium VPNs. At panghuli, variable yung customer support. Available ang support through chat and email pero pwede mag-iba-iba yung response times depende sa araw or time zone. Okay, ngayon na naintindihan mo na yung mga features, pag-usapan natin ng iba't ibang plans and pricing options. Kung gusto mo siguraduhin na makakuha ng best price possible, gamitin mo yung link namin sa description sa baba. Ang Fastest VPN ay may lifetime special deal na din, kaya pwede ka makakuha ng access sa Fastest VPN sa halagang $40 and one-time payment lang yun. Ibig sabihin, makakatipid ka na 93%. Meron din silang 31-day money-back guarantee, kaya kung hindi ka pa masyadong sold dito at feel mo hindi tong best fit para sa'yo, pwede mo rin naman makuha ang pera mo pabalik. Wala talagang risk kasi una, nakakatipid ka na 93% para sa lifetime at pangalawa, may 31-day money-back guarantee ka. All the plans include things like WireGuard protocol, password manager, 10 multi-login, P2P optimized, no logs policy, and syempre pati na rin lahat ng streaming needs mo tulad ng Netflix, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, and more. And syempre lahat ng to ay may kasamang internet kill switch, P2P optimized servers, free malware protection, free NAT firewall, free ad blocker, military grade 256-bit AES encryption, 10 multi-logins, and unlimited server switching. Kung gusto mong tignan ang servers nila sa iba't ibang countries, pwede mo ulit i-click ang link sa baba tapos mag-scroll ka lang at makikita mo lang lahat ng servers. Kaya dapat mo bang piliin ng Fastest VPN? At ito ba ang tamang VPN for you? Kung bago ka sa VPNs at gusto mo ng simple, mabilis at abot kayang option, Fastest VPN ay perfect na starting point. Ganito ko isa-summarize. Yung double VPN features nagbibigay ng solid na security kung mahalaga sa iyong privacy. Yung 10 gigabytes per second servers naman give you smoother performance for streaming, downloads, and gaming. Yung Smart Connection tool, sobrang dali para sa beginners na makuha yung pinakamagandang connection ng hindi kailangan mag-tweak ng settings. settings. It's not as big or fancy as some of the big players, but for the price, it delivers real value, lalo na kung gusto mo lang maging safe sa public Wi-Fi, mag-stream ng secure, o panatilihing private yung online activity mo. If you're someone who travels, nag-aaral, nagtatrabaho remotely, pwedeng ibigay ng fastest VPN yung extra sense ng control ng hindi complicated. At dahil sa bagong speed upgrades, hindi mo na kailangan isakripisyo ang performance para sa privacy. As a personal note, I know that figuring out which VPN to trust can feel pretty overwhelming. Ang dami kasing options at bawat brand nangangako sila yung pinakamabilis or pinaka-safe. Pero ang pinakamahalaga ay makahanap ka ng VPN na swak sa needs at budget mo ng hindi complicated. If you wanna try fastest VPN and see how all of these key features work at makakuha ng lifetime rate na $40, siguraduhin mong gamitin yung exclusive link namin sa description below. I do wanna mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content tulad nito. Ang channel na to ay dedicated na tulungan ka maintindihan ng VPNs, privacy tools, and tech in a simple, approachable way para manatiling safe online without confusion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you have not already. At syempre, leave any comments or questions sa baba. We'd love to hear from you. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.